Do you want to learn many English words, but you do not know where to start? Maybe you learn one word about food, then one word about cars, then one word about feelings, all mixed up. This way is slow, and the words are hard to remember. There is a much smarter way to learn vocabulary. Today, I want to tell you about a famous book that teaches words in a clear and organized way. It is loved by learners all over the world. The book is called English Vocabulary in Use. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let us open this helpful book together and learn words the smart way. First, what is this book? English Vocabulary in Use comes from Cambridge, a famous name in English learning. It is a series of books for different levels, from beginner to advanced. So, there is a book that is perfect for you wherever you are. The book is full of useful everyday words, but the best part is how it teaches them. It does not give you a long, boring list. It teaches words in a clear and friendly way, with pictures and practice. Now let me tell you the first big idea of the book. It teaches words by topic. What does this mean? It means the words are put into groups by subject. One page is about food. Another page is about family. Another page is about weather, or travel, or feelings. All the words about one topic are together in one place. This is a very smart way to learn, and let me tell you why it works so well. When you learn words by topic, your brain connects them. Think about food words: bread, rice, milk, fruit, water. These words belong together, so your brain holds them as a group. It is much easier to remember 5 words about one topic than 5 words with no connection. The words help each other stay in your memory. So instead of learning random words, learn small groups of words that go together. This is the smart way the book teaches. Learning by topic has another big benefit. It is very useful for real life. Are you going to travel soon? Study the travel topic and learn words like airport, ticket, hotel, and map. Do you want to talk about your family? Study the family topic. When you learn words by topic, you can quickly get the exact words you need for a real situation. The book gives you useful, real words, not strange words you will never use. Now let me tell you the second big idea, and it is in the name of the book: Vocabulary in Use. This means the book teaches words inside real sentences, not alone. When you learn a word, you also see how it is used. For example, you do not just learn the word tired. You see a full sentence. I am very tired after work. This shows you how to really use the word. Learning words and sentences is much better than learning them alone. Why is this so important? Because a word alone is only half learned. To really know a word, you must know how to use it. Which words go with it? When do you use it? A sentence shows you all of this. When you see the word make in the sentence, I make breakfast every morning, you learn how to use it correctly. So always try to learn new words inside sentences, just like this book teaches. The sentence gives the word life. The book also follows the same smart design as other in-use books. On one page, there is the new vocabulary with pictures and example sentences. On the next page, there are exercises to practice those same words. So you learn the words, then you use them right away. This is the golden rule again. Do not only read words, practice them. When you do the exercises, the words move into your memory and become yours. Here is a great tip for using this book. Choose one topic at a time. Do not jump around. Pick a topic that is useful for you right now, like food or work. Study that page well. Learn the words, see the sentences, and do the exercises. Then make your own sentences with the new words. Use them in your day. After you know that topic, move to the next one. One topic at a time keeps your learning clear and strong. Let me also remind you of something important. Real practice makes the words stick. The book gives you the words and the sentences, but you must use them in real life. Talk about the topic with a friend. Write about it in a small notebook. Look around your house and name things in English. The more you use your new words, the deeper they go into your memory. A word you use every day will never be forgotten. Now, here is how this podcast helps you too. When you listen to me, you hear words inside real, clear sentences, just like the book teaches. You do not hear cold word lists. You hear words in use, in real talk about real topics. So as you listen, notice how I use each word. Then study that same topic in your book and practice the words yourself. The book and the podcast work together. One gives you the words, and the other shows you the words alive in real English. We have learned so many helpful tips today about English vocabulary and use. We learned that it teaches words by topic, which helps your brain connect them. We learned that learning words by topic is useful for real life. We learned the big idea of vocabulary in use, learning words inside real sentences, not alone. We learned about its smart design, with words on one page and practice on the next. And we learned to study one topic at a time and to use our new words every day. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will explore one more wonderful learning book, the Oxford Picture Dictionary, and learn how to study English words with the power of pictures, all in easy English. You do not want to miss it. please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep learning words, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.